Good morning, kids. How are you all? I am sure that you all are fine at your home. Kids, today I am going to teach you SST and chapter number 2, that is the plant fairy. In this chapter, some children are playing hide and seek and antakshari. You all know this game very well, and I used to play also in my childhood and enjoyed a lot. And in this game, a child become a plant fairy and ask others to touch the different plants. Okay, and by playing this game, children will see the diversity in plants for themselves. As you all know, kids, that all plants are not same. How do we identify them, and what do we sorry, how do we classify them? We will get all the answer in this chapter. So let's begin. So kids, it's your chapter number 2 of EVS, and in this chapter these 5 children are playing Chupan Chupai. She is Didi, she is sitting in the central, she is Didi, she is Ammu, Shabnam, Dayaram, and he is Michael. These 5 children are playing here Chupan Chupai. Didi becomes here the fairy, and she instruct them to play game. She said that go and touch the plant's leaf. They have to notice the leaves carefully. Then she said to collect the leaves and explain about leaves. Okay, so kids, I have collected here some leaves from my planters, and look here, kids. As you all know that the leaves of all the plants are not the same. The color of the leaves are not the same. This leaf has yellow color, it has green color, it has green color, and it has purple color. Identify this leaf, students. This is mint leaf. How will you identify this leaf? Because of its structure of this leaf. Its margin is uneven and it's like a saw. And how will you recognize? If you will smell this leaf, you will easily identify this leaf of as mint. Okay, and look at this leaf. It has the pink color patches, and the margin of this leaf, as look at the edges of this plant, it is uneven, totally uneven. Okay, and it is long leaf, and it has a smooth margin. Okay, this is money plant's leaf. It is easily found in everyone's home. And kids, now what are the function of these leaves? The main function of leaf is to produce food for the plants by photosynthesis. And why the leaves of the most plants are green? Due to presence of chlorophyll. So kids, I have explained about the leaves. Now the game started again. The plant fairy now said, touch a tree which has either a thick or a thin trunk. The children ran again to touch the tree with thick or thin trunks. Children, what is the trunk? What is trunk? Trunk is the main stem of a tree. Look here, kids. This is a trunk of a plant, and trunk is always used in timber production. जो भी timber production होता है, timber production means जो भी wooden work हमारे घर में होता है, जो फर्नीचर का होता है या फिर डोर का होता है, बेड जो बनते हैं, टेबल बनते हैं, चेयर बनती हैं, जितना भी wooden work होता है वो उसके लिए हमेशा क्या यूज होता है? ट्रंक ही यूज होता है. ठीक है. So kids, it was all about the plants, and one question rises in my mind, that how will you identify any plants? Yes, we can easily identify them by their leaf shapes and their smell. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.